Thanks for joining us every Wednesday for a brand new topic of the week from ImmigraFlow. Today, we're diving deep into N-400 success. The naturalization interview is the final step toward your American dream. We're here to make sure you're fully prepared for every challenge. ImmigraFlow is not a law firm and does not provide legal advice. We offer automated document preparation assistance. For legal advice, consult an attorney. Many applicants worry about red flags. Today, we shift that focus from anxiety to empowerment by giving you a clear, document-backed action plan. First, let's address the commingling of finances. USCIS looks for evidence that you and your spouse share a genuine financial life together. Joint tax returns are the gold standard. They show the government that you've declared your shared household income together under penalty of law. Bring joint bank or credit card statements. Aim for at least 12 months of consecutive statements to demonstrate a consistent pattern of shared spending. Even smaller shared expenses like utility bills or cell phone plans with both names on the account can help bridge any gaps in your record. Organize these chronologically. Showing a progression of shared finances over several years is much more convincing than a single recent statement. Next is inconsistent residence. If your ID address doesn't match your spouse's, or you have multiple addresses on file, it raises questions. A joint lease or mortgage is your strongest evidence. It proves that you have a shared legal and financial responsibility for your home. Joint vehicle titles or shared insurance policies are also excellent. They show that your lives are integrated beyond just the walls of your home. Any official mail from government agencies or banks that shows both your names at the same address helps solidify your residency claim. You can also provide sworn affidavits from family or friends who have visited your shared home and can attest to your life together. If you've been married for a shorter period, the officer may scrutinize the relationship more. Here, quality of evidence beats quantity. Bring a curated photo album. Focus on milestones like weddings, family gatherings, and religious ceremonies where both families were present. Flight itineraries and hotel bookings from trips taken together are great. They show you've invested time and resources into building a life together. In some cases, even printed screenshots of social media posts showing your relationship timeline over several months can be helpful. A fourth red flag is extended travel outside the U.S. If you've been away for more than 6 months, you need to prove you didn't abandon residency. Bring proof that you maintained your U.S. ties, such as continued employment letters, rent payments, or active bank account activity while abroad. Ensure you have a clear list of all travel dates. Having copies of your passport stamps organized chronologically can help clear up any confusion quickly. What about arrests? Even if a charge was dismissed or expunged, you must disclose it. Failing to do so is a major red flag for moral character. Always bring certified court dispositions for any arrest. Don't rely on it was dismissed. The officer needs to see the official final outcome. Even if your record was expunged, USCIS still has access to it. Bring all original documents to show you are being fully transparent. Gaps in employment or unpaid taxes are also scrutinized. Citizenship is often tied to your history of contributing through taxes and work. Bring official IRS tax transcripts for the last 5 years, or 3 if filing based on marriage. They prove you're in good standing with the government. If you owe taxes, bring proof of your payment plan and evidence that you are making timely payments. Transparency is key to success here. Organization is your best friend. We recommend creating an N-400 success binder. This shows the officer you are prepared and serious. Use tabs to separate categories like identity, finances, and residence. Keep originals in the front and clear copies in the back for the officer to keep. On the day of the interview, dress business casual. Be polite, listen carefully to each question, and answer only what is asked. If you don't understand a question, it's perfectly okay to ask the officer to repeat it or rephrase it. Staying calm is part of the test. If you have significant red flags, consider having an immigration attorney accompany you. They can ensure your rights are protected during the process. Let's do a final run-through of the exact documents you should have ready to overcome those red flags. First, joint taxes, 12 months of bank statements, and your shared lease or mortgage. Check these off first. Second, utility bills with both names, joint vehicle titles, and matching state IDs. Consistency is your goal. Finally, your milestone photo album, travel itineraries, and any certified court dispositions for past legal issues. With this folder in hand, you're not just an applicant, you're a prepared future citizen. You have the tools to succeed. For more naturalization tips, visit ImmigraFlow.us and subscribe. Join us again next Wednesday at 4 p.m. for our next topic. Join us every Wednesday for the brand new topic of the week. Brought to you by ImmigraFlow. See you then.